Hello everyone! I'd like to show you a 2D floor plan drafting set for Procreate. This set is highly compatible with CAD programs like AutoCAD and AutoCAD, allowing you to make edits directly in Procreate and achieve maximum alignment with the original floor plan lines. The set includes a variety of interior elements. For example, I can select the gas stove brush and place it in the kitchen area of the plan. The lines are thin and closely resemble those in AutoCAD. To make the item more noticeable, I duplicate and merge the layers, allowing for easy placement on the plan. The set also includes 6 door brushes with different opening directions. There are bathroom items like showers, bathtubs, sinks, and toilets. Decor elements and personal items bring life to the project, including several table settings, flower arrangements, pizza, and more. Separate sofa elements act as a modular system, allowing you to create any sofa size and design, whether straight or corner. Rugs in various shapes and sizes are also included. For instance, a rug that looks like an animal hide. Additionally, the set has tables, floor lamps, animals, cabinets with open and closed doors, children's bikes, and terrace items. Beyond interior items, there is also a wool brush. It's best to use it with the drawing grid active, and you can save specific brush sizes that you use most often or that fit a specific plan. I have saved the brushes of preferred sizes, making it easy to avoid adjusting the brush every time. There are also two hidden floor radiator brushes. Apart from that, there are curtains in a top-down view. To draw curtains from above, use the drawing grid and hold the stylus at the end of the line to smoothen the edge. Any extra lines can be trimmed or erased with the eraser tool. There are two brushes for open radiator. There is also a north direction symbol and an arrow for entrance. The staircase brush can also be used as a marker. Draw a line, hold the stylus at the end of it, then stretch it to create equal spaces between rectangles. You can fill this with color or add paint codes for walls. The set includes several brushes for project detailing, which you can customize as needed. The set also includes various scale rulers. You will find rulers suitable for both outdoor spaces and interiors, which you can crop and adjust to fit the needed scale. There is also a graph paper brush. Set the brush size to minimum. Then, while holding the stylus, apply the grid to the canvas. Next, open the settings and enable the 2D grid. Set the grid size to 10 mm. Use the blue point to align the Procreate grid with the drawn grid. Each square will now represent 1 cm. If your plan is set in meters, each square will represent 1 meter. After setting it up, it's easier to add interior elements and draw walls accurately. For example, a bathtub measuring 2 m by 90 cm can be adjusted to fit the scale on this grid. The second ruler brush is similar, but each square is divided into 4 cells, providing a larger scale option. I've also included 25 textured brushes in this set. for example, parquet, marble, wood flooring, subway tile, mosaic, which is a color brush, wood slices, and logs for outdoor areas. These brushes are among the most commonly used ones in different projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new tools and materials.